Good morning, students. Welcome to this English teleteaching program through YouTube live streaming, sponsored by School and Mass Education Department, Government of Odisha. I am Gadadhar Behura, Headmaster, Gopalpur High School, Ranpur, Nayagarh district. Dear children, I think you are all fine today. In our previous class, we discussed the first and second paragraphs of the topic at the high school. You know, at the high school has been collected, has been extracted from the autobiography of Gandhiji. That is the story of my experiments with truth. I would just like to show you the book. You see, in the last session, I could not show you. So this is the book. This is the autobiography of Gandhiji. Gandhiji has written this book in Gujarati language, and we have already discussed. It has been translated by Mahadev Desai, one of the brilliant personalities of our country, very nicely. So before going to the next part, let us have a recap of our previous discussion. Whatever we have discussed in the last class, let us recall it, remind it, then we will move to the second part of paragraph 2, right? So let's go to the recap. You see, at the high school, you have watched this nice picture. Now you see, we have discussed the first paragraph and part of second paragraph, because second paragraph is a very big paragraph. I have divided it into two parts for your better understanding, right? In paragraph 1, Gandhiji has very nicely narrated about his stories. How teachers, you see, teachers love, certificates, rewards, scholarships. These are the main items, main ideas which have been discussed in the first paragraph. So Gandhiji has very nicely described. He was not regarded a poor student. That means he was a very good student. Indirectly, he wants to say this, he was not a bad student. And teachers, they loved him, they had a lot of affection towards Gandhiji. And good certificates were sent to Gandhi's father. And we have also discussed how he got prizes and how he got scholarships in class 5 and standard 5 and standard 6, right? So this is all about his stories. And in second paragraph, first part, we have discussed some very important events that Gandhiji had remembered, what had happened in his high school career, and this is his recollection, his memory about the past events. So the main idea is his memory, what he had remembered, he has nicely described, about how he did not have any high regard, no high regard, about his own merit, about his own rewards and awards, his scholarships, right? And he was very much careful for his character. There is a sentence he wrote, I very jealously guarded my character. You see, I very jealously, very carefully he guarded his character, and the least little blemish that drew tears from my eyes, he had mentioned. So a small, very small fault that also drew tears from his eyes. Kandi pakautile chotta bhul, sabbur chotta bhul, right? So let's go to the second part and see what Gandhiji narrates in that part. I am going to read out this part. There was another such incident during the time when I was in the 7th standard. Dorab Jidul Jimmy was the headmaster then. He was popular among the boys as he was a disciplinarian, a man of method and a good teacher. He made gymnastics and cricket compulsory for the boys of upper standard. I disliked both. I never took part in any exercise, cricket or football, before they were made compulsory. My shyness was one of the reasons for this aloofness, which I now see wrong. I had then the false notion that gymnastics had nothing to do with education. Today, I know that physical training should have much place in the curriculum as mental training. So, dear students, this is the last part of the second paragraph. You just see some italicized words are there. You can find, look at the paragraph. Disciplinarian, right? Then shyness, aloofness, curriculum. These words may be new to you. So let us know the meaning first. You just see. Disciplinarian, you just see. A person who makes others work hard. Strict teacher, very strict teacher. Who likes discipline, right? Who maintains discipline, who wants others to maintain or to obey discipline. जे बेसी श्रृंखला उपर गुरुत्व दियंती आमे तांको कहि परिबा disciplinarian, right? Then you come to shyness. Shyness, nature of avoiding. A person, a child who avoids others, ठीक अलगा अलगा रहिबो. विशेष करी आमे ओडिया रे ताकू लाजु कुला बोली को. Gandhiji was very shy. His shyness made him to have aloofness, to make distance from others. Aloofness, दूरे ही रहिबा अन्य मानकु. Curriculum, course of studies, जाको आमे कहू पाठ्यक्रम. मो ओडिया रे पिले कहि दोछि गुडी गुडी meaning. If you know the meaning, it will be easier for you to understand the paragraph. Notion, idea. Gandhiji had a wrong notion, right? We'll discuss the paragraph later. Gymnastics, you see, I have given some images. Sports with different types of exercises, you see, you can find here, you can watch very nicely. Beautiful images are there. So once again, disciplinarian, a person, a strict person who likes discipline, who wants others to maintain discipline. Shyness, nature of avoiding others. Then aloofness means to keep distance from others. Tike dure dure rahiba. Curriculum, course of studies. Notion, your feeling, idea or thought. Gymnastics, a series of a number of exercises, right? Okay, let's go to the paragraph. You see, my dear children, I have already told you, we have very nicely discussed. Whenever we read a passage, a small paragraph or a big paragraph or maybe more than one paragraph, we have to know first what is this paragraph about, what is the main idea. I have just, you see, underlined some phrases, some words, some sentences in this paragraph. And you can find in the first sentence, underlined phrase with bold letters. There was another such incident. So can you say what is this paragraph about? That is the main idea. You can easily get it. Another such incident. So you just see incident and event. आमे ओडिया रे दुर्घटना घटना कहू. So Gandhiji को पाई this is an incident for Gandhiji. When somebody gets pain, when that is painful, that is incident. Event may be painful, may not be painful, but usually incidents are not good. That's why दुर्घटना हम कहू. गोटे कार एक्सीडेंट हो जाउची, गोटे चोरी हो जाउची, घर पोड़ी हो जाउची. These are all incidents. So Gandhiji wants to say about another incident. What is that incident? In the previous part, we have discussed one incident he has described about his punishment. How he was corporally, how he was punished, how he got corporal punishment, punishment with stick. बेतर केमती माड़ खाइले एवं सेटा को से केमती माइंड करि नथिले. He did not mind सेटा को आमे पढिथिले ता पूर्वरु. एबे से आ गोटे घटना कहय जाउछि. जेतला घटना कथा आमे जानुचे, when we know about an incident, हम कहबा घटनाटा काहे गेला, के थिला, केतळ हेला, कोन हेला, एई भलिया many questions will come. जे where did it happen, who were there, why did it happen, what was the result, and you can get all these things in this paragraph, right? You see, there was another such incident during the time when I was in the 7th standard. So this is an incident during the 7th standard. You just see. So incident when it took place, when he was, the time is when he was in 7th standard, 7th class. So this is Gandhiji is going to narrate about an incident, and this incident you see took place when he was in 7th standard. Right? And what is this incident? He wants to say Dorabji Idulji Jimmy was the headmaster then. You just see Dorabji Idulji Jimmy. You know your headmaster, you should know the name of your headmaster. So Gandhiji also remembers. He was popular among the boys as he was a disciplinarian, we have already discussed. Gandhiji's headmaster was a very strict person. He liked discipline. He wants his children to maintain discipline, right? And he was a very good teacher. He was a man of method, and he taught his students very, very nicely, right? He was a good teacher. And another thing, you just see the underlined phrase, he made gymnastics and cricket compulsory. Every child should play cricket and every child should take part in gymnastics. This was actually the principle of Gandhi's headmaster in his school. Rajkot school we have already discussed. Gandhiji studied in Rajkot High School. So I disliked both, Gandhiji disliked both. I never took part in any exercise, cricket or football, before they were made compulsory. So Gandhi said before they are made compulsory, I did not like it. Because my shyness, Gandhiji was shy, was very shy. A shy natured, a shy boy, I can say, right? So he wants to ignore others, avoid others. Aloofness, he liked aloofness. ଲାଜ ଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କର, ତେଣୁ ସେ ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ମିଶୁ ନଥିଲେ କାହା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ, right? And I had then a false notion, that is also important. False notion. Gandhi had a false notion. He had a false notion that, what is that false notion? You see, the false notion was gymnastics and cricket had nothing to do with education. Shiksha sata there is no relation, right? So today, when Gandhiji wrote this book, he felt that actually these are very important things for education, and every child should take part in exercises, right? So this is all about this paragraph. Let's go to see the main ideas what we discussed. You see, in this paragraph, Gandhiji narrates an incident, and the incident, how it took place. Dorabji Idulji Jimmy was the headmaster. He was very popular among the boys, and he was a man of discipline and strict person. He was a man of method, a good teacher, and taught his subjects very nicely. But he was a disciplinarian, so he made gymnastics and cricket compulsory. Every child, all the boys of the upper standard classes must take place in gymnastics and cricket, right? So let's go to the questions for this part. You see, question number 1, what does Gandhiji say in this paragraph? A paragraph re kon Gandhiji कहते का विषय paragraph? Some events of school days he had remembered. Some events I have already told you. One event, he was punished with stick and he was rebuked by his teachers, and this is another event, that is about gymnastics and cricket. Next question, you just read, he did not have any regard for his own ability. How do you support this? In the last session we have discussed, he did not have any high regard for his own ability because he was surprised to see the awards and rewards. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ପୁରସ୍କାର ପାଉଥିଲେ, scholarship ପାଉଥିଲେ, ସେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ କେମିତି ପାଇଲେ? This type of feeling indicates that Gandhiji did not have any high regard for his own ability, निज दक्षता पाई सेमती किछि तांकर निजर किछि गुरुत्व नथिला से भाबु नथिले जे मु गोटे भलो स्टूडेंट आई एम अ वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट एंड ड्यू टू माय स्टडी आई got it, I got this reward, I received this award. He did not have this type of feeling. ei bhaliya kebe tankar nathila. Next question, you just see the support, how do you support? Surprised to know about his prizes and scholarships, right? Question number 3, what was he very much careful about? I have already told you he was very much careful about his own character. The least little blemish that drew tears from my eyes, very nicely he has written it. मन रखिथु आमे पिले ए सेंटेंस मोर भी मने अछि छोटिया भूलटे सबुठ छोट बिल द लीस्ट लिटिल द स्मॉलेस्ट फॉल्ट, right? He started crying for the smallest fault in his life. Next question, what drew tears from his eyes? I have already told you, the least little blame is the smallest fault, right? Next question, what was more important for Gandhi, winning prizes or building character? Building character. He was very much careful for his own character, right? Next question, which standard did Gandhi receive physical punishment in? In the previous class we have discussed in standard, yes, do you remember this? Now you see in the first or second standard, you just see गांधी जी प्रथम द्वितीय क्लास रे पनिशमेंट पाइतिले, फिजिकल पनिशमेंट, कर्पोरल पनिशमेंट, राइट? वी हैव डिस्कस्ड सेटा को से मन रखिछन छोट माने प्रथम द्वितीय श्रेणी रे पढिला बेले ही वाज पनिश्ड, राइट? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, व्हाई डिड नॉट गांधी जी माइंड द फिजिकल पनिशमेंट? राइट, he did not mind, he did not think about this because it was his, he thought it was it as his desert. Desert, what someone deserves, जने जहा पाइबा को योग्य से भाबुतले मु पाइबा कथा, this is my desert, I should get it. दंड पाइले भी बेले बेले हमें रागी जाउचे, we get angry with the teachers, we get angry with others when we get punishment, but Gandhi ji did not have this type of feeling. He thought it was his desert, तांको पे he should get it, he should have got it, that's why he did not mind anything, right? And question number 8, next question, who was the headmaster? Now we discussed, yes, do you remember? Can somebody answer my question? Yes, Mr. Dorabji Idul Jimi was his headmaster, and you have also seen the picture of his headmaster, right? Next question, why was he popular? Yes, he was very popular because he was a disciplinarian, a man of method and a good teacher. पिला माने बेले बेले 5 नंबर या प्रश्न टी भी पड़ी जाउची जे describe Gandhi's headmaster, write something about Gandhi's headmaster. You can write Gandhi's headmaster, Mr. Dorabji Idul Jimi was his headmaster. Gandhi's headmaster, he was a very popular teacher, he was a disciplinarian, he was a man of method and a good teacher, and he liked his teacher and he loved discipline. He want his students to take part in gymnastics and cricket. Like this you can write all these things, right? Let's move to the next question. What was made compulsory for the boys of the upper standards? You see, gymnastics and cricket we have already discussed. Next question, question number 11, I disliked both. Gandhiji has nicely said, I disliked both. What does both refers to? Here both means gymnastics and cricket, right? Next, what was the reason for Gandhi's dislike for cricket? काहे के cricket gymnastics से भल पाउ नथिले, तार कारण कोन थिला? हमें डिस्कशन करिचे जे से he was a shy boy, right? लाजुकुला थिले, his shyness, and for his shyness, what false idea did Gandhi have about gymnastics? तांकर कोन थिला false idea? जे गांधी जी had the false idea that gymnastics and had nothing to do with education, शिक्षा से तो किछि तार काम नाही, right? What was his view on gymnastics later? And later he felt that physical training should have as much place in the curriculum as mental training. So my dear students, this is all about this part 2, sorry, paragraph 2, and let's move to the next paragraphs, very interesting paragraphs, paragraph 3. You just listen to me, I am going to read out. The reason for my dislike was my keen desire to serve as nurse to my father. As soon as the school closed, I would hurry home and begin serving him. Compulsory exercise came directly in the way of this service. I requested Mr. Jimmy to exempt me from gymnastics so that I might be free to serve my father, but he would not listen to me. So let's know the new words first. I think only one word may be new to you. Exempt. Exempt means to make free. Chhadi daba, chhad kariba, right? Let's go to the next paragraph. Now it happened that one Saturday when we had school in the morning, I had to come from home to school for gymnastics at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I had no watch and the cloud deceived me. Before I reached the school, the boys had left. The next day, Mr. Jimmy, examining the roll, found me marked absent. Being asked for the reason of absence, I told him what had happened. He refused to believe me and ordered me to pay a fine of 1 or 2 annas. So in this paragraph, I think two words are new for you. Deceived. Deceived means cheated, disappointed. The clouds deceived me. ମାନେ ମେଘ ଗୁଡାକ ମତେ ଠକିଦେଲା। ମେଘ କେମିତି ଠକିଲା? ତାର ତ ଦି ସ୍କାଇ ୱାଜ କଭର୍ଡ ୱିଥ ଲେଗ୍ସ, ତେଣୁ ଅନ୍ଧାରିଆ ଦେଖାଗଲା, ସମୟ ଜଣା ପଡିଲା। ରେଫ୍ୟୁଜ୍ଡ, ଡିନାଏଡ, ସେଡ୍ नो, ମନା କରିଦେବା। ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ରାଇଟ। ନେକ୍ସଟ paragraph. We will again, after knowing the meaning of these new words, we will also discuss the paragraphs. We will know what are the ideas available in these paragraphs. Paragraph 4. As convicted of lying, that deeply pained me. How was I to prove my innocence? There was no way. I cried in deep anguish. I saw that a man of truth must also be a man of care. This was the first time and last instance of my carelessness in school. I had a faint recollection that I finally succeeded in getting the fine remitted. The exemption from exercise was of course obtained, as my father wrote himself to the headmaster saying that he wanted me at home after school. So there are some words, new words, you see, innocence, blamelessness, or I can say innocence means to prove my innocence, ମୋର ନିରୀହତା ମାନେ ମୋର ଦୋଷ ନଥିବାଟା, ନିର୍ଦୋଷତା କେମିତି ପ୍ରମାଣ କରିବି, right? Anguish, pain, severe upset or pain or grief, mental pain, उनके मानसिक যন্ত্রণা আমি जो obtained, to get, obtained, got, achieved or received. Remitted, I have already said, stopped or held up or to make free, right? Then let's understand the ideas of the paragraphs. Paragraph 3, you just see, I have marked, I have underlined the important lines. The reason for my dislike was my keen desire to serve as nurse to my father. So this is the main idea. You just see, my dear children, I have already told you, compile ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖିବ ପ୍ରଥମ ଲାଇନରେ ତାର main idea ଥିବ। The reason for my dislike, reason means the reason for my dislike towards cricket and gymnastics was my keen desire to serve as nurse to my father. So I wanted to help my father, to serve my father. So that's why I disliked gymnastics, because I think as soon as school closed, I hurried home and very quickly I came back home, and I helped my father. So I requested Mr. Jimmy to make me free from gymnastics, but he would not listen to me. He did not listen to me, right? So what happened? Now it happened one Saturday. So this is another incident, one Saturday incident. You just see, this is another incident, and this incident took place one Saturday. So I think when you are going to understand the text, you should know, if it is an incident, then when it happened? So it happened one Saturday. And what is that incident? You see, the school was in the morning. I had to come from home to school for gymnastics at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So for gymnastics at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, I did not have watch. The sky was covered with clouds, so I could not know the time. I reached late, and when I reached, the boys had all left. Next time, Mr. Jimmy looked at the register and saw that I was absent, and I told him, but he did not believe me. ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଯେ ମୁଁ ଡେରିରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଲି କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କଲେନି, and he fined me 1 or 2 honors. 1 or 2 honors, you just see. Gandhiji actually faint recollection. This is faint recollection. ମନେ ପକାଉଛନ୍ତି ଅଣେ କି ଦିଅଣା ତାଙ୍କର ମନେ ନାହିଁ, ତେଣୁ ସେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଅଣା ଥିଲା, ତମେ ଜାଣିଛ ପିଲେ, ଏବେ ନାହିଁ, ତେଣୁ ସେ ସମୟରେ ଚାରଣା ଆଠଣା ଏମିତି ଥିଲା. So Gandhiji remembers that he was fined, right? Now you see, I was convicted of lying, convicted, fined. I was punished of lying. ମିଛ କହିଲି ବୋଲି ଦଣ୍ଡ ପାଇଲି. And this is, I could not know how to prove my innocence. I have not done this fault intentionally. ମୁଁ ଜାଣିକି କରିନି. But I got a lot of mental pain, deep anguish. I cried in deep anguish, mental pain. So I felt that, Gandhi said, a man of truth must also be a man of care. Right? That is, ସତ କହିଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଜଣେ ଯଦି ଯତ୍ନଶୀଳ ନୁହଁ ତାହେଲେ ତାକୁ କେହି ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରିବେନି. So my dear children, you remember this. This is a moral lesson to us. If you are telling the truth, you must also be very careful. କାରଣ ଡେରିରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଲେ ସତ କହିଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଖାତାରେ ଆବସେନ୍ସ ପଡିଛି ହେଡମାଷ୍ଟର ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କଲେନି, because he was careless, right? So this was his last carelessness in school, and finally succeeded in getting the fine remitted. The fine was made free. He did not have to give any fine, because his father wrote a letter to the headmaster that I need his help. I wanted, that means he wanted me at home after school. That's why he did not have to, or he did not pay the fine, right? So my dear children, what happened? You just see the reason for dislike gymnastics. His keen desire to serve his father after school. He very quickly returned home to serve his father, and his thought was compulsory exercise came directly in the way of service. Papa को सेवा कल तो exercise जो मु काहेंगी cricket खेलिबी, मु काहेंगी आउ gymnastics करिबी, right? And he requested Mr. Jimmy to exempt him from gymnastics, but Mr. Jimmy did not allow him, and finally his father wrote a letter. So one Saturday he was fined, he was punished 1 or 2 honors, and his father wrote a letter to the headmaster. The headmaster did not believe Gandhiji, but finally that fine was remitted. So we discussed all these things today. I think you have understood something. Please read the text, paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the next session we will discuss the last part, all other paragraphs of the text. Thank you very much. See you in the next session. चला